Hello, everyone. I'm going to read another book on our Christmas theme. It's called Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. I'm excited. Let's hear about Pete the Cat Saving Christmas. It's written by Eric Litwin, and the art is by James Dean. Ooh, that cat looks like he's up to something. Look, he's on top of a reindeer. Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. It says, to the real Pete, the little kitten I brought home from the shelter, and also to my first cat, Slim, and to all the others. I wish I could be a cat too, and to Margaret Anatar, who, like Santa, believes that Pete can save Christmas. That was a note from the author. And the illustrator said, to Rachel and Naomi, my sisters, for all the stories we dreamed up together. Ooh, for Santa, milk and cookies. So it's 7:02 a.m., December 4th, the day before Christmas, and it looks like somebody's sick. It says cold relief, got a thermometer. 'Twas the day before Christmas, and Santa was ill. In the cold winter wind, he had caught a bad chill. Will Christmas be canceled? Will it come to that? Never, cried Santa. Let's call Pete the cat. Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all the good girls and to all the good boys. I'll do it, said Pete, and although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. Ooh, Key West, that's in Florida. Pete jumped in his minibus and started to roll. Road trip, cried Pete. North Pole. First stop, the North Pole. The reindeer were waiting to give Pete a tow, so he packed up the presents and told them to go. Ooh, they're putting the presents in the van. Then the minibus flew just like a movie. Pete the cat cried, this is totally groovy. So all the toys are in the minibus. And look at the reindeer pulling the minibus through the air. Have any of you seen anything like that? I can do it, said Pete. And although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. As the children were sleeping, all snug in their beds, Pete and his reindeer appeared overhead. Straight down the chimney, Pete flew in a dash, then back in his minibus, quick as a flash. Each time he delivered a holiday gift, he crossed off a name written on Santa's list. Santa's list was so big and Pete felt so small. But at Christmas we give, so he gave it his all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. That's a long list. At the very last minute, they reached the last house. Pete dashed in and out just as quiet as a mouse. Then right at the break of the new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. North Pole Toys Incorporated. Back at the North Pole, oh, Santa was waiting. The elves and the town folk were all celebrating. Thank you, Pete. Small is cool. Santa and his helpers, the elves, were so thankful to Pete. Santa was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, hip, hip, hooray, for our friend Pete the cat. I did it, said Pete, and although I am small, in the spirit of Christmas, I gave it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. I think Pete the cat gave it his all, and he saved the day for Santa. Happy holidays.